Hi, are you trying to install Windows 7 from a bootable USB drive and get this message? Well, then you are probably using a USB 3.0 drive and or a USB 3.0 port. If you have the option to use USB 2.0, then you could do this instead of following this guide. The reason why I see this message is that Windows 7 doesn't support USB 3.0 before you install the drivers for it. So we are trying to install Windows 7 with a device that Windows 7 doesn't support. To fix it, you can add the drivers to your Windows installation, which I will show how to do in this video. Okay. So here I got three things: command prompt, my bootable USB drive, and just a random folder. Okay, so here I also got the drivers for my USB or for my computer, and here I can find the USB 3.0 drivers. So just copy this folder, drivers folder, and from the bootable USB under sources, you need to copy the boot.wim file. And then you also need to just make random folder, which is where you will mount the boot file. Okay. So now you open command prompt and remember to run as administrator. And you type this command, dism mount-wim wimfile, and then this directory and boot.wim and index 2 mountdir, which is the directory where you mount the boot file. So now we see a bunch of files coming up here. And now you need to type a commando to add these drivers to the mounted image. So this image add driver and then just this directory. And then recurse. So now it's adding the drivers. Then there's only one last thing to do, which is to unmount the image and mount wim mountdir. Commit. Okay, so now this folder is empty again, and you should see that this boot.wim has increased in size, which we can check right away. Yeah, and then you just replace the old one with the new one. Just copy and paste, copy and replace. Then you are finished, and hopefully it will work. At least it did for me. Good luck.